Good evening, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. My name is Tyler Fikes. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today, we are in a freshly washed truck that is about to get even cleaner, and I need to share something with you guys. First of all, let's admire how good a 24-year-old truck can look. Now, granted, the paint on the hood is only about 6 months old, and the paint on the bumpers are only like 4 years old, and then something like that for the mirrors and the handles. But that being said, look at how close that is to that, and that is to that. It shows how well this truck has been taken care of and how good that OEM paint still looks. Now, I just drove this through the car wash. No, I did not go through one with brushes. I would never do that, but I went through a touchless car wash where it's basically just a pressure washer that gets the whole thing. It sprays a bunch of different compounds on it, sprays it off, dries it off. And it actually looks really good for a 2-minute touchless car wash. But get up close and we can absolutely do a whole lot better. And that is where this comes in. So I was lucky enough to have a company by the name of Shine Armor reach out to me. They wanted to do a deal with me, so they're a new sponsor on the channel, and I highly recommend you guys check them out. And although I am sponsored, this is an unbiased opinion. They sent me this spray out, and I'm going to go over the truck. Now, I picked this one to go over first because I really just want to try it out. And this truck is a lot smaller than this truck, as in we got 2 feet less of bed and a whole door less to spray that ceramic coating on. Now, yes, when I have the time, I am going to do both of them, all of the wheels, the undercoat, might even do my work truck. But I'm super excited about this new product, and I wanted to try it out as soon as possible, and doing it just on this one was gonna be the quickest, easiest way. I usually don't even go through those drive-through car washes, but I just needed to get the majority of the dirt off of the truck so that I could apply this graphene ceramic coating. Now, first impressions, I really like the bottle and the quality of the spray handle, how it has a lock, and you can disengage the spray function. I looked through their entire website. They had a ton of really quality looking products, and this is what they wanted me to test on my truck. Now, that being said, I have gotten a ton of cleaning supplies in the past. I'm usually better about keeping these clean, but recently I've been out of cleaning supplies and just haven't gotten around to getting any more. So again, I'm super stoked they reached out to me. I looked through their website and I already see a ton of stuff that I'm gonna be ordering to keep in my little cleaning supply cabinet and keep both of these trucks a little more clean, a little more often. So like I said, I wanna give you guys an unbiased review of this coating and what I think overall of the company, and I will absolutely do that towards the end of the video. Now, this has directions for how to best apply, and it says spray it into a microfiber cloth, wipe down the paint, cover the entire surface, allow 1 to 2 minutes to rest, and then go back with a second microfiber cloth. And that's why they sent me 2 of these. Go back through and polish everything with that second clean towel. So I'm gonna do that just on the front fender and then show you guys the difference from the fender that is treated to the hood, the bumper, the door, just all the metal next to it that is not treated. So at this step, you should just be applying a thin coat across everything, but not rubbing it in, rubbing it off, just getting it on the truck. Now we're gonna wait about 2 minutes. So it's been about 2 minutes, and sorry, I just watched that last footage. I realized it was cutting off the top of my head, so I moved you guys back. But anyways, we're now going to buff all of this off or in. And now we are gonna look at that shine. Just that one coat absolutely made a huge difference in paint that was just washed to almost looking brand new. The only downside about washing your vehicle is you notice all the little imperfections and scratches that you've picked up over the years. But that does look really good. The reflection goes crazy. So now I'm gonna go over the rest of the truck, do the whole thing with the same exact process we just did, and then I will show you the end result. And that came out beautifully. Just looking down the side of the paint, that is a mirror after putting that coating on. This is all 99 paint. Everything we're looking at back here on the body is from 1999, and it's a little cloudy, I'll give you that, but damn, that is some quality paint right there and a quality cleaning product. That is actually pretty amazing. I haven't had my truck this clean in quite some time, and I gotta say, I really like it. And I should keep it more clean more often. And one thing that spray worked great for was turning some oxidized black stuff back to black. That's way darker than it was. And so is this cap, as well as it's smooth now. You know, aside from the nicks, it feels a lot smoother. And over to the can, I only used about 1/3 of it, and I went heavy on the truck. So you could probably do 2 of these, maybe 3 of these, or just get 2 vehicles out of it and go super heavy like I did. You can see if I do my truck again, I'll have a little left. So maybe this will be the perfect amount for this truck and the wheels. Now, I didn't do the wheels yet. You can see they're still a little dirty, and I just didn't do them yet because I want to do a full wash on those wheels before I go and waste some ceramic coating on dirty ass wheels. That being said, the truck cleaned up amazingly well, and this is definitely a product that I would recommend to anybody that is into cleaning their vehicle on their own, into any kind of automotive detailing. So I've done something for you guys. Hit the link down in the description and you're gonna get 20% off every order through Shine Armor using discount code FIKES20. Now, when you use that code, you will be supporting the channel and you will be getting some badass cleaning supplies. I've had a lot of car cleaning products over the years, and Shine Armor definitely seems to make a really quality product. Not to say there's not other quality products out there, but this is definitely another one of them. And if you are into detailing your car, keeping your car clean, keeping your truck clean, even keeping bikes clean, anything like that, I highly recommend checking them out. Like I said, link down below. Discount code FIKES20 is gonna get you 20% off site-wide, and it directly supports the channel. I myself am gonna go over to their website and get the detailing kit. They had a whole kit that came with like a bag of supplies and it looked super awesome, and it was on sale right now, so that's what I'm gonna go personally pick up. But if you're looking for the entire cabinet worth of everything, or just one little bottle of something, they have a huge selection. You can definitely find something that works for you. So check them out and let me know in the comments what you guys think of how the truck came out, and if you get any Shine Armor, what you think of the product. Once again, if you guys are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if y'all like the content. Thank you everyone for watching, and for now, until the next one, see you later.